Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox a very interesting device, which is the POCO X3 NFC by Xiaomi. The reason why I am saying this is because of the price segment in which it has been launched. This device in the 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage configuration comes in at around 40,000 rupees in Pakistan, 18,000 rupees in India and 250 bucks globally. At this price, the POCO X3 NFC is a steal. You cannot get a more value for money device in this price segment. It's amazing how Xiaomi has managed to keep the price this low. Let's see what we get in the box. So here in the box we get the user manuals, SIM ejector tool and a standard TPU case in a smaller box. Then we see the device itself, which is in the shadow grey color. Beneath the device we have a 33 watt fast charger. Yes, you heard it right, a fast charger out of the box. And at last a USB-C to A cable. Let's see the device itself. For the build quality, we have Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front, aluminum frame and plastic back, with the fingerprint scanner baked into the power button. The phone is IP53 splash proof too. It has stereo speakers, a hybrid SIM slot, IR blaster and a headphone jack too. Specs wise, the POCO X3 has a stacked spec sheet. It has an 8nm Snapdragon 732G chipset with 6 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM and either 64 or 128 gigs of UFS 2.1 storage. It has a 6.67-inch LCD display with a 20 megapixel centered punch hole baked into it, but the special thing here is that it is HDR10 certified and has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. For the cameras, we have a quad camera setup on the back. We have a 64 megapixel main wide angle lens, 13 megapixel ultra wide with a 119 degree field of view. The other two are 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensors. You can shoot up to 4K at 30 fps with gyro EIS. For the software, you are getting Android 10 with MIUI 12 skin on the top, with 2 years of promised Android upgrades and 4 MIUI upgrades. Battery life is also quite impressive with 33 watt fast charging to juice it up quickly. The 5160 mAh battery is enough to give you 1.5 days of battery life depending upon your usage. For the haptic feedback, Xiaomi has integrated a linear motor inside this device which helps in a tighter haptic feedback. It is still not on par with the flagships, but a lot better than the other mid-rangers. The vibrations on the POCO X3 feel a lot better, making the overall user experience better. The brightness on the display can go up to 450 nits and you will not face any issue in broad daylight. So all in all, the POCO X3 NFC kills the competition not because of the highly stacked spec sheet but because of the price. Right now, this is the best phone you can get new for this price. This right here is a value beast, and anyone looking for a device at this price segment, you won't find any better value for your money. So yeah, that's been it for this one. Until next time, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.